We started Microfamily Farms with the goal of providing families with the freshest fruits and vegetables possible. After a lifetime of benefiting from fresh food, I really had a desire to share it with others. So I developed a way that families could join in the harvest as well. And that's really what Microfamily Farm's about.
We have 7 children, and Microfamily Farm has just given us an opportunity to be as a family outside and doing things that we enjoy doing together. We harvest together and we eat together.
We love the idea of organic foods, but on top of being organic, we also liked the idea of farm to table, so that you had the optimum nutrition that you could possibly have.
3 years ago, and I went through cancer treatment, and I became really acutely aware of how things tasted and how bad the food that we were eating tasted. And so we're trying to forge a new relationship with what we eat.
The boys love to come out in the morning, grab their own peppers or leaves of lettuce for their lunch, stick it in their lunchbox and go.
I've been doing this for 28 years. I normally do perennials and annuals, but I've gotten into the vegetable aspect of it. The unique thing about Microfamily Farms is that we grow a lot of varieties, heirloom varieties, that you don't typically see in most of these box stores, retail stores that you find in most cities.
The foundation of organic gardening is the soil, and it's the first thing we do when we arrive at your home. We begin that radical transformation of sterile soil into a living, breathing organism. We've built a system that can be implemented on anybody's yard, backyard, front yard. As long as we have 8 hours of full sun, we can grow a cornucopia of wonderful fruits and vegetables for you.
What we're looking for is flavor, of course, but we need something for this region that will do well here. We look for heat tolerance, humidity tolerance, and if we find something that might have some kind of disease resistance, that's a bonus. But we try to keep that garden producing 12 months out of the year.
I was totally against any garden in my yard, because if I think about a garden, I think about weeds. And Mike was 99% effective in getting rid of weeds. Our garden is clean and not full of weeds.
But not using any pesticides either. We love that he takes the organics. He's using, garlic and sea kelp, and able to prevent some of the things that most people have to ward off with traditional pesticides.
It's so cool to be able to walk out and see what you're eating and know what it looks like a week ago and know what went on it or what didn't go on it.
I think Microfamily Farms can transform your life from the way you eat to the way you perceive food to your overall health, and that's our hope and our desire, is that we can bring the harvest to your table.